All right, everybody, this is Johnny Plumber, and I thought I would just take this opportunity to jump on here and do a quick little video explaining the compensation plan for GotBackup. Now, we're still in the month of April here in 2023. GotBackup was just recently launched earlier this month, and so GotBackup is a company that's owned by another company called GVO, Global Virtual Opportunities. They've been around for 25 years in the digital space. And so they've just actively been doing business here. Now, GotBackup, the software itself has been around for 8 years. What happened is that they really beefed it up. They created a brand new Powerline driven compensation plan and launched it earlier on this month in 2023. And so, since it has been launched 3 weeks ago, it's just exploded, and there's so many people like myself who have just benefited so much from sharing this experience, sharing this opportunity with others. And so, just like to spend a moment just to, in my own words, kind of break down to you the compensation plan and how effective it is, and why you should be a part of this opportunity. Now, what is GotBackup? Now, GotBackup is a cloud-based file saving opportunity. So we have other services out there like Dropbox, Google Drive, Amazon Web Services. You have all many other services out there that offer a similar product. Microsoft does have a product also where they're offering you space on the cloud to back up your devices. So in essence, what GotBackup does is it's a very simple software that you can download onto your computer, whether it's a PC or a Mac, whether you have a tablet or a smartphone. You can download the software, and you can set it to automatically back up your important files, your documents, your photos, your videos onto the cloud. What is this? So the cloud-based file saving system, it's where you have different computer servers in several parts of the world that's linked together. So if I save one file, it's going to be saved here in the US on a bunch of servers, and it's going to be saved also in Ukraine on some other servers, and also in India in another set of servers. So at any given time, you'll have access to your files, because it's very unlikely that all three locations are going to be shut down all at once, if due to power cuts, natural disasters, or whatever. So it's a very secure way to save your files. If your hard drive crashes, if your computer gets stolen or your phone gets stolen, you don't have to worry. You can access your files. And you may say to yourself, well, I can get the same service with Dropbox. I can get the same service with Google Drive. I can get the same service with Apple or Microsoft. But how many of them have a compensation plan that goes along with their service? And so the GotBackup is not just a service, it's an opportunity. And we're seeing phenomenal results, just for sharing the opportunity. On the first signups, you get 200% commissions. It's under $50 to get in on this thing. So it's $49.97. It's a $40 reseller's fee that gives you the opportunity to share the opportunity, give you the chance to share the opportunity. And also it's $9.97 per month. So for the rest of your time with GotBackup, you're paying $9.97 for 6 terabytes of space. You're allowed to use up to 6 devices, 1 terabyte each, to back up files onto the cloud. And so it's a no-brainer, very, very cheap. But the one thing I want to point out before I play this video from the company is that if you decide to take this service, and say, for example, you're just using the service, if you use my link in the description of this video and sign up, and you become a part of the opportunity here, you get the service, you get to back up 6 devices, 1 terabyte each, and all the wonderful features that come along with GotBackup. But other than that, you can share the opportunity. Say you share this opportunity with one person, your very first commission covers 200% of your monthly subscription. Just imagine that. And so each month after that, you get 50% of the monthly subscription of the person that you referred. I also wanted to mention that even if you come into this opportunity and you decide to do nothing, like for example, if you use my link and you sign up and you decide to do nothing but use the service, I personally am actively growing this business. So I receive people that enroll in my organization every single week, many people each month. And it's going to continue to grow because I'm not going to slow down. I'm only going to go harder at this. Whenever we receive these individuals, I have to place them in my downline. There's nowhere else for me to place them but under the persons that I sign up. Right? So the fact of the matter is, even though they're going to be my direct signups, I'll have to place them under you. And so, in essence, you do receive commissions from those persons that I'm bringing into the opportunity. So after a period of time, you'll find out that your service is going to be free without doing any of the network marketing, affiliate marketing style opportunity that we have here. So I'd just like to take this, the next few minutes, the next 5 minutes, just to share with you a video produced by the company itself that clearly explains the compensation plan. Watch this video, because after you watch it, you'll understand exactly how you, after signing up in this opportunity, can really make headway with this. So I'm going to be sharing my screen right now. And I just want you to pay attention to this video. All right.
Now that you understand how direct commissions and check match works, let's talk more about how you can build a massive residual income by truly getting paid what you are worth. Over the next couple of minutes, we're going to focus on long-term residual income with a binary compensation plan. A binary is a compensation plan that is structured with you at the top center position, like in biplane or bicycle. Bi means two. So below is the start of your binary organization called a binary tree. You can only have two positions on this level, which is your level 1, the left team, commonly referred to as your left leg, and a right team as your right leg. There are no qualifications needed to earn unlimited income in the binary comp plan, as long as you're an active member and affiliate of GotBackup. As your team progresses and grows, it's important to know how to position personally enrolled customers and resellers into your binary tree. Here's the best strategy to maximize your commissions. In this example, let's say you enroll John and Mary. They've taken the top positions on your left and your right legs. You've also enrolled A and D. Now notice they are placed in the outer legs of your left and right team. It is not smart of you to place an enrollee in either the B or C spot. B is John's to fill, and C is Mary's to fill. Remember, you want to always place your enrollees on the outside left and right legs. Can you imagine filling all these positions yourself? Impossible. A binary promotes teamwork because you can help your personal resellers grow one of their team legs. This is why binary compensation plans attract the top producers in the industry, because you get to benefit from massive spillover. Here are some terms you should know when referring to our compensation plan. The tree that comprises all the customers and resellers in the entire network is referred to as the matrix. This is where you are positioned on that matrix. Of course, there will be people above you who took action before you after watching this video. Those people are referred to as your upline. Everyone below you is referred to as your downline. People you personally enroll are referred to as direct sales. When your direct sales bring in someone personally, they're referred to as your indirect sales. Another term you'll hear is spillover. Spillover is direct sales brought in by your upline. This is not a requirement or a guarantee. It's just a gift. Likely you'll see spillover the harder you work, because your upline will want to reward those that are hardworking. This promotes teamwork and sales production to the highest degree. So we highly encourage you to start sharing as a reseller right now, so you can benefit from all the customers and resellers that get started after you. Now, let's take a look at an important tool that you'll be using on a regular basis. It's called your holding tank. When someone signs up on your website, they'll go into your holding tank. There will be settings for you to choose your preferences. A new customer will sit in your holding tank for a maximum of 36 hours. After 36 hours, your customer will be placed automatically in your binary tree on whatever leg you've set to default in your preferences. It's wise to check your holding tank daily. When a new customer joins you, they will go into your holding tank. They can see their tree view, but nobody else sees them until they're placed. They are, for lack of a better word, invisible to your organization. Here's the advantage of the holding tank as a tool to place customers in the next open position anywhere in your organization. You can build your organization placement by placement. However, the real power of this tool is if you're talking to a prospect who likes what they see, but they're dragging their feet, so to speak. When you have one or more in the tank, you can call that prospect and merely say something like, "Hey, you looked at the compensation plan, you love the product. If you want to join us now, I can place," and then you tell them how many customers you have in the tank. That may be 1, 2, or 3 on your team right away. This almost always gets someone excited and into your business. It gives you leverage in building your business. What if you had, say, 5 in the tank and 4 on the fence? Do you see the power here? When you have more customers in your holding tank, get on the phone, especially to those prospects who are undecided, and use the leverage of this tool. It is strongly advised that you write down the exact order of placement of all your prospects that you have in your tank, and you place them where you promise. Now, let's show you how to become very profitable with your GotBackup binary compensation plan and how you can qualify for our monthly residual cycles. A cycle occurs every time there are 6 active customers in your tree. It doesn't matter if they're direct sales or indirect sales or even spillover. If they occupy a position, they count towards a cycle. In most binary plans, it's 3 matched with 3 to cycle. With the GotBackup plan, the ratio is 1/3, 2/3 split. What that means, simply, is for every 4 customers in your power leg, that's the larger of the 2 legs matched with just 2 customers from your pay leg, the weaker leg in numbers, a cycle is created. Your cycling just got 2/3 easier. Why? Because for every 4 in that power leg matched with 2 that come from that pay leg or weaker leg creates a cycle. Easy as that, and it pays down to infinity. So clearly, it's a no-brainer why you want to promote the GotBackup product, because we pay more than any other company in the industry. This concludes the GotBackup compensation plan overview. We hope this answered all your questions on how our plan works and how to maximize its power. We wish you massive success and prosperity, my friend. Now get out there, take action, and we'll see you in the reseller center shortly. And on top of the leaderboards, be the one. Get it done.
All right, so there you go. I tell you, it's fascinating. Yesterday we had a recognition call from corporate, and it felt good to hear my name mentioned as one of those leaders that's just pretty much crushing it at this time. And so my desire is not necessarily to hear my name called on these recognition. I want to do that to set an example for my team, but I also want as many of my team members as possible on that call. I want to hear your names mentioned. I want to see you just demolishing that leaderboard. So far, we have about 5 or 6 persons in our team that's on the leaderboard, which is the top 100 performing affiliates with GotBackup, and that's only gonna grow. Again, it's a global opportunity. It doesn't matter which country you're in. You can participate in this. You can sign up. You can get paid. You can do this business. It's a product that doesn't go bad on the shelf. It's a digital product, so you can share it with anyone. Anyone can use it. It's just a phenomenal opportunity, and it's low ticket. 9.97 per month is something that everyone can afford, whether you believe it or not. And so the question is, a lot of people tell me, well, I have Google Drive, I have Apple cloud services, I got Microsoft cloud services, I have all of this, I don't need this. Well, are they paying you? That's the question. And so you got to figure out in these times, are you just getting a service, or are you getting a service that's giving you the potential to earn on top of it? And so that's my video for today. I thank you guys for paying attention. Click the link in the description. Sign up for free. When you do enroll, you'll be placed under my team, and I'll be able to share with you all the tools that we have. We are doing meetings every week. We're training our people how to easily share this opportunity. We have systems already in place that's allowing affiliates to grow their networks. There are people who are scared to share this opportunity with others. They don't have to, because we're exploring other ways in which you can share the opportunity, some paid sources that you can share the opportunity and actually receive guaranteed signups. and all these things. So we're putting things into place each week that's going to see our team grow, see all of us receive success, see all of us make the best out of this wonderful and amazing opportunity. Guys, again, there's a link in the description. Click it, sign up. Once you sign up, we'll help you get going. You're never on your own. All right. We have a Facebook group, we have a WhatsApp group. The Big Dreams Come True group is phenomenal. We have great people there, and so you will never be on your own. All right. We'll see to it that we bring everyone with us. And that's the reason of team. Together, everyone achieves more. Take care.